Out here, in a quiet patch of sky, there's something almost too perfect to be real. At first glance, you might miss it completely. Just another field of stars. Until you notice it. A faint, glowing bubble. Perfectly round, like a cosmic soap bubble, frozen in time. This is Abell 39, a planetary nebula, nearly 7,000 light-years away. Now, despite the name, a planetary nebula has nothing to do with planets. The term comes from early astronomers who thought these objects looked like planets through small telescopes. But what we're actually seeing is the final stage of a dying star. Long ago, a star like our Sun reached the end of its life and gently shed its outer layers into space. What we're seeing is that final breath. And that glowing bubble, it's enormous. Abell 39 stretches about 5 light-years across. Now let's bring that into perspective. This is our solar system. The Sun and the planets orbiting it. At this size, it looks significant, like it could fill a big portion of that bubble. But watch what happens when we place it inside Abell 39 at the correct scale. Smaller and smaller and smaller, until the entire solar system becomes almost nothing, just a tiny speck at the center. That's how vast this structure really is. And yet, at the center of Abell 39, there's still a star, a white dwarf, the leftover core that created all of this. But look closer. As the stars we're looking through, our own Milky Way, fade away, you begin to see what's really out there. Tiny smudges, barely noticeable. Those aren't stars, they're entire galaxies, each one containing billions of their own stars. And they only look small because they are unimaginably far away. So in a single frame, you're seeing something incredible, a dying star just 7,000 light-years away, a structure large enough to dwarf our entire solar system and galaxies far beyond it. Each one filled with billions of stars, yet so distant they shrink to smudges. All captured by collecting light your eyes could never see on their own. In a universe this vast, it's easy to feel small. But here we are, able to look out and try to understand it. If you want to see this image in full resolution, head over to washitaobservatory.com. A link to the website is also in the description. I've got a gallery of high-res photos, links to the videos behind them, and a full breakdown of my off-grid observatory, plus the exact astrophotography gear I'm using to capture shots like this.